now you just a memory. They say the mind is always menacing. Okay, now you just a memory to me. Yeah, I'd rather just spend time rhyming on instrumentals than my mentality.
I've been missing in action. I know. I'm here now. I'm here, bitch. So you just have to deal with me and all my shenanigans. So, what we're doing today is we're going to get donuts. And this is like a really crazy, weird thing, but I hate donuts. I don't like donuts. So, I'm hoping maybe this donut place can change my mind. I'm about to go to Duck Donuts. Like, as you can see, this is like rush hour traffic. It's like 5:30, 5-ish. Oh my god, I thought that car was getting ready to hit somebody on a Friday. So, while I'm trying to look for this place, I am just, you know, just looking. Yeah. That's about it. So, I'm gonna try to put this up before Thanksgiving. So I know how, like, everybody has like, hi, I'm good. Somebody's like trying to talk to me in the thing. This is always. I'm just gonna be nice and be like, get out. He's like trying to roll down his window. Please, sir, I don't want to talk to you. I know I'm pretty. No, I'm joking. Please, like, seriously, I really don't. He's like at a red light. Let me get my purse here. Okay, where I need to go. So, that's weird. He's like staring at me in the car. Okay, but I need to find this place. I don't know where it's at. It's somewhere around here. Somewhere. So, I'm going to get back to you guys, and I'll be right back. Who knows? But they look so good. Okay, so I got French toast, maple bacon, blueberry, apple pie. The apple pie looked better on the display, but hey, what it is what it is. And this is raspberry, lemon, sprinkles, and glaze. Yeah, so I'm pretty boring when it comes to donuts, you know. But these look so cute. They look very Instagrammable, you know, very friendly. Sure, high in calories. The lady told me to get the bacon one. She said it was really good. So I'm gonna try that one out. See how it goes. So we'll see. Let me take a couple pictures and then I'm gonna eat them and let you know how it is. So let me cut this off. I'm like trying to like take pictures and shit, and like people are stopping me, looking at me. I'm gonna try this out.
Bruh.
That's an interesting taste. There's a lot of bacon. See, there's a lot of bacon on there. I don't know. I don't like this one. Okay. This one's ridiculous. This one tastes better. Smells better. Wrong raspberry. Okay, it looks like blood. Which is fine with me. See if it tastes like French toast. It kind of tastes like French toast. It doesn't. I still don't like donuts. This is just a clout move on my part. I mean, they're pretty. They're very Instagrammable. I just don't like donuts. Here. I think I'm gonna get me a bit of focus here. Let's see. Are you gonna focus? There we go. Okay. We got appetizers, we got rolls, entrees. I'm getting some fries. It's all customized. It's kind of hard for me to vlog and record and grab food at the same time. But these are the foods here. And they just basically come out in the conveyor belt. And you just grab them. What you do is just open it up. And you just grab one. It may look, seems like I ate a lot of food. I promise. I only had like 4 rows. I know it looks like I'm pigging out right now. She's so laughing. It does. It looks like I'm a pig right now, but I seriously have not had too many rolls at all. But I do like this one. This is cute. It's pink. It's super pink. And this is one of my favorite colors. So a little bit red. But yeah, it's a cute little concept. You know, a little bit of Tokyo Japan and whatnot. It's really cute.
Welcome to the vlog. You know?
Yeah?
Yeah? I know. I mean, check out the
I'm gonna try to buy it. So I got my tea. I'm trying it out right now. It's winter melon. It actually tastes like winter. I know that sounds strange, but you know how like you have like pine trees and wintry stuff? That's what it tastes like. It tastes very much of a pine tree and a melon. Forgive me of these faces that I'm making, but it's, I mean, it's good, but it's just weird tasting. It's interesting. And all sorts of crystals here. I always get my crystals, get my sage here, get all that good stuff.
Memory, they say the mind is always menacing. Okay, now you just a memory to me. Yeah, I'd rather just spend time rhyming on instrumentals. The mind